An economy is an integrated system of production, distribution, and consumption. Goods and services are produced in the production sector, sold in the market, income is generated, which is then distributed among the four factors of production. Income so generated is then spent for consumption purposes, and the money flows back to production sector, trying to say that there is a circular flow of money, and it is possible to estimate national income by all the three methods, depending upon how much is produced, production method, where is it spent, expenditure method, how much is earned, income method. So if it is a circular flow of money, it also implies whatever is produced gets consumed. It also implies that national income estimated by either of the three methods is same. So reconciliation is just to find out how national income estimation by production method is same as by income method is same as by expenditure method. So let's understand this particular aspect. Hello everyone. Welcome to our Eco Studies channel. I am Poonam Vohra, your instructor from Macroeconomics Learning Center, bringing 28 years of dedicated CBSE teaching experience. We are releasing series for our 4 subjects to give you an insight of the offered courses on our website that will enable you to prepare well and score well in your CBSE and CUET examination. Before we jump onto the concepts, if you haven't already, then hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you do not lose out on any of our free, valuable videos. And if you like the content, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Follow us on our Instagram and Facebook page. Now, let's get started. Just to sum up all the three methods, one can have reconciliation of the three methods to estimate national income. As per the circular flow of income, the first phase is generation phase, and product method is used to estimate national income at this phase. For that, gross value added at market price in primary sector, in secondary sector and tertiary sector are summed up to get GDP at market price. And then depreciation, net indirect taxes are deducted from it to get net value added at factor cost, which is domestic income, or NDP at factor cost. NDP at factor cost plus net factor income earned from abroad gives us national income, or NNP at factor cost. The second phase of the circular flow is where income is distributed among the factors of production. So income method is used. To estimate national income by income method, income earned by all the 4 factors of production is taken into account. That is, compensation of employees, to labor, to land and entrepreneurship, it is rent and royalty, interest and profit. Then there are some people who are self-employed. For those it is mixed income. All these components are added to get NDP at factor cost, which is domestic income, and then net factor income earned from abroad is added to it to get national income, or NNP at factor cost. Once the income gets distributed, it is spent. So the third phase is disposition phase, and expenditure method is taken into account to estimate national income at this phase. So expenditure is incurred on consumption and on investment by households, firms and government. So these components mean having private final consumption expenditure, government final consumption expenditure as expenditure for consumption purposes, and gross domestic capital formation, which comprises of gross domestic fixed capital formation and inventory investment. These need to be added to the consumption expenditure. Then after that, net exports is then added to get GDP at market price. So domestic income is NDP at factor cost, hence depreciation and net indirect taxes are deducted to get NDP at factor cost. And finally, net factor income earned from abroad is added to NDP at factor cost to get net national product at factor cost or national income. To learn more, visit our website and enroll in our courses to master the concepts in economics. You will find more than 300 lecture videos aligned with the latest recommendations of CBSE curriculum. And with our current introductory offer, you can enroll in each of the course for just rupees 999. So seize the opportunity and join before the introductory offer expires and score high grades in CBSE examination as well as in CUET entrance examination. Like, share and subscribe to Eco Studies channel. Also drop a comment. See you in the next session for another concept. Thank you.